How's everybody doing? Tinkering with Harleys. I want to thank all of you who have subscribed, and if you watch these videos and you enjoy them, by all means, please subscribe. Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be swapping out a rotor from one wheel to another wheel. And the reason we're doing this is we got two wheels for this bike. One has a brand new tire on it, and the other one is worn out. So we'll get right to it. Okay, this is a rotor we're going to be swapping out. And when you put the wheel down, you want to make sure you have something underneath it to make sure you don't scrape up the face of that pulley. And this is why we're changing it. That tire is just worn out. This is the wheel we're putting it on. And as you can see, this is a brand new tire. Okay, so this is a rotor we're taking off. Now, when you take these off, you want to put heat on all 5 of these bolts. These things are Loctited in, and they've been on there forever. This one, it's been on there for roughly 18 years. So if you don't heat them up, and you try to bull them out, these are Torx. And if anybody who's taken Torx out knows that if you get a little bit out of the hole, it's gonna strip these bolts. So what we did, we put heat on all of them, and you heat them facing out so you don't screw up that bearing. Not that we're going to be reusing this bearing again. We'll change this. But like I said, I've already heated these and broken them loose. And they are T45. So we're just, and even with me loosening them up, they're still a little bit tight. And that's after putting heat on them. And they're still tight in there. Now you could use a gun on these, I suppose. I wouldn't chance it, because if you strip one of these, then you just make more work for yourself. Okay, there it is. So we got this rotor off. We're going to clean this up a little bit and get the other tire, other wheel down here, and then we're going to change it. Okay, here's the new wheel. This has got the new tire on it, and this is a big wheel. This is, don't remember off the top of my head what size the wheel is, but it's a 200 millimeter tire. So we're ready to put it on there. It's got new bearings in it, new tire. And so now we'll take and we'll get this put on here. Now you don't use the old bolts, you get new ones, and they come from the factory Loctited already. So we'll get those in there. Oop. We missed the hole. There we go. One. 2, Yeah, it's a lot easier cleaning the rotor when it's off the wheel than when it's on the wheel. And a lot easier when it's not on the bike. Okay, and here's the last one. Okay, again, these are 45 torque 45s. So we'll just run these down and then we'll torque them. I myself do not like torque bolts. They look good, but trying to get them out after they've been on a bike for a while can sometimes be a little bit challenging. Okay, now we're going to torque them. Now, the manual says torque them to between 30 and 45. So we're going to torque them about 38. That's one. Two. Three. Four. And 5. That's it. So now this wheel is ready to go back on the bike. So I want to thank you all for watching. I hope this helps somebody. Until next time, everybody be safe out there.